Want every new member who joins your Discord server to get greeted with a sleek welcome experience, pick their custom notification roles, and unlock channels without forcing your moderators to assign roles manually? Welcome back to Techavro. Today, we are setting up Discord's built-in onboarding flow system step by step. Let me show you how to automate your welcome process. First, open your Discord server, click on your server name header at the top left corner and go to server settings. Make sure your server is converted to a community server. Once enabled, navigate down the sidebar list to the community section and click on onboarding. Step 1 is setting up default channels. Select the core text channels you want every single new member to see automatically when they join, like rules and announcements. Step 2 is adding custom questions. Click Add Question and type a prompt like "What games do you play?" or "What are your preferred pronouns?" Below the question, add answer options like Valorant, Minecraft or Fortnite and assign a specific server role to each choice. When new members join, Discord will present a beautiful multi-step questionnaire card layout. The second they answer, the system automatically assigns their selected roles and unlocks their matching private channels instantly. If this onboarding automation guide helped level up your community management, drop a smash on that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more elite tech guides. See you next time.